啲雀仔搬家，你睇下，唔知係想搬去邊啊？你睇下，兩個好似係仔仔嚟㗎。睇下佢哋好似搬咗出去，你睇下成個，哦唔係喎，仲喺度喎，但係張台啲嘢冇咁多啦。
Oh, they're both there.
係啊，兩個仔仔啊。
Oh, it's like after college, me and JJ live in the same house while we look for a house to live in together.
哦，呢個係
That's me and JJ right there.
so funny, really?
Yeah, and JJ's the one resting. I'm doing all the work, like always.
係咩？
Yeah.
乜哥哥成日要你做嘢咩
Yeah. Yeah. Study for calculus.
？Yeah, for your own good.
Yeah, for my own good. We could live together. We can have a house together. Yeah, he makes me do all the work. Oh, I want you to be successful. Why? So you can mooch off of me.
Really? 你咁勁，人哋係 leech 你
Yeah,
啊？
I'm that good.
食雪糕啦
I'm the
你
smartest.
？Really?